The White House has officially launched the long-awaited Trump Account program. The federal government will be granting $1,000 to every child born between 2025 and 2028. The money will be housed in a tax-deferred account and invested in low-cost index funds, only accessible once the child turns 18. Additionally, 25 million children under the age of 10 will be eligible for an extra $250, and that is thanks to a $6 billion donation from Michael Dell and Susan Dell. These accounts are good, and the reason they're good is because they begin to address what we believe is the most pressing problem in America, and that is the unprecedented rise in inequality, the rift between what we call the earners versus the owners, what Karl Marx would call the proletariat versus the bourgeoisie. And the American system, for whatever reason, is heavily rigged in favor of those who have assets, in favor of those who own things, the owning class. And this is why inequality has run rampant. Now, there are a few ways to fix this. One fix is we could just pay earners more. We could increase the minimum wage, for example. I would love that, but for whatever reason, our politics just isn't letting it happen. Another fix would be to tax owners more. I would also like that, but again, we've tried this many times and our politics doesn't really let it happen. Or we could simply make everyone an owner. We could give everyone a stake in this game that we call capitalism. And that is what this does. It recognizes the immense wealth creation that is afforded by the stock market, and it automatically buys you in no matter who you are. It makes every American an owner, and that is a good thing. Now, will it fix all of the problems? Absolutely not. It will not fix the cost of housing. It won't fix the cost of college. It won't fix the cost of healthcare. It won't even level the playing field. If you're already wealthy, you're still most likely to win the game. But if you're not wealthy, at the very least, you are now in the game. You start out on the playing field versus what we've had before, where you start out on the sidelines. And that is a marginal improvement in the grand scheme of things, but it is still an improvement.